How to create Netflix account in an iPhone. Let's jump right into the steps. First off, go ahead and open your Safari, and then in the new tab, you want to go ahead and search for Netflix. Open the very first link you see with netflix.com. Now you want to enter your email address and then tap on Get Started. Here you can tap on Next. Here you can create your own password and tap on Please do not email me Netflix special offers. If you want to tap that tab on it and then tap on Next. So here you get to choose your plan. We have premium, standard, mobile, basic. So you'll get to choose any of them. I prefer premium. So I want to scroll down and tap on Next. Now choose your payment method, that is Visa or PayPal. Now enter your card number, expiration date, then first name, last name. Scroll down and select the bottom of I agree, then tap on Start Membership. That is how you can create Netflix account in iPhone. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.